There he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. There we go, boys. Hooked up good too. Oh my God. Oh man. There we go, boys. I got him one. Hooked him up. First fish in the new yak. So guys, welcome to the video. So today, I'm not sure you guys, oh man, it's a good fish. So I've been fishing the saltwater survival series and we just finished our season finale. And I'm sorry guys, it was a slow tournament, so I didn't really record it. But long story short, I won Angler of the Year, which I got a nice little trophy for, and I won this kayak. It's a Revo 11 by Hobie. Kind of little, I'm calling it Baby Blue. Good little scouting rig right here. And this is the first fish we're ever gonna try to catch in it. Had a couple bites already, and man, this is a good fish. So I'm gonna leave everything linked down below, guys, but this is my medium light molar with my Aldebaran, and it's a good redfish right here. Oh yeah. Woohoo! First fish in the new yak, boys. Yes. All right, let's get this unhooked and show them you guys. There we go, guys. Look at that beautiful fish right there.
Hell yeah.
Absolutely killed it. Redfish. That's on the new prototype Deadly Dudley Dandy Dawn right there. 1/4 ounce death grip. Everything linked down below, guys, but there we go. First fish right there. Hell yeah. Guys, oh my God. Oh, it came off. Look at this trout. Oh my God. I was not recording. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's one of my biggest trout in a long time.
Wayne fucking hollering.
Whew. Boys, that is a stud of a trout. Bigger than my redfish. He's probably about 24, 25. All right, guys, so this is like my second cast with the salt and pepper, and this thing gets it done, boys. That's gonna be the bait of the day. Link in the description below. Let's put this on the boga and check it out. Oh my God. Oh, he's so strong. Look at it. That's a 6-pounder. It has to be a 6. Oh my God. Look at this fish. Six. 6.5. 6.5. You chilling there, big girl? Hell yeah, I'm letting her go. Oh my God, I gotta get that, like, some footage of that shit though. Boys, check this out. What? That is amazing. That's one of my bigger trouts of the year. So we're gonna put him on the big camera, and I'm gonna show you guys this thing. This thing is a monster. Got him. Oh my God.
I'm about to go to fucking hell.
There we go, boys. Hooked up. Deli Dudley, salt and pepper getting it done, boys. That's so hard. That's Sarge Moar. Nice redfish. Nice redfish. Nice redfish. Burning that drag, bro. Nah, it's a light action rod. It's a light action rod. Yeah. It's a good one though. Still a keeper. I don't know. Oh, he's peeling that drag, boys. Look at that. Woo! Awesome. Good one. Getting dragged in a circle around here.
Almost to the point where your rudder don't matter.
Yeah. Oh, it's a good one. Look at that, guys. Ain't that beautiful? God, dog, it's a nice day out. Oh, he wants to go home with Ryan. He's like, Ryan, take me home.
December 5th, I'll take it.
Ryan, take me home. Got him, big boy. Woo-wee.
Oh, it's got some good spots on it. I'll take that one December 5th.
Yeah. All right, guys, this is Ryan right here. He's been featured in one of my videos. If you guys saw, it's when you won the One Fish Wonder Series, first one. So he's AOI leader right now, so I got to worry about him next weekend. I need him to skunk. I need him to skunk, and I need to catch a 10 in order to even try to beat him. They are. All right, guys, look at that. This is a great wave. We're breaking in the kayak. Really good. Beautiful fish right there. All right, boys. Big old girl's going back. Look at that. You gotta love them beautiful redfish. Oh, there she goes. Whew. Yeah. Got another one. Oh yeah, there we go, boys. There we go, boys. Actually, that's a little eater right there. A little 20-incher. There we go. Oh man, look at that bend in that rod, boys. Love that. Oh, jump in here. He come out the water like a bass right there, bro. Hell yeah. All right, boys. Caught a limit of redfish, one big trout, and it's not even 9 o'clock. It's 8:30. Woo! All right, guys. There we go. Beautiful red. 8:30, boys, and we caught a limit of reds. Absolutely destroyed that plastic. All right, guys. So, like I said, it's about 8:30 right now. We're all rolling around here, and the water's really slack. So, I think honestly, you got to put it near them and make them bite. But already been a nice day, so hopefully we can tag a few more. There he is. It's another trout, boys. It's another big trout. It is. Hell yeah. Woo! That's a keeper trout too. Nice. All right, guys. That's a nice little trout right there. I think he's about 18, 19 inches. Let's see. That is a good one. Oh, barely a 20. Not even 20, he's like 19. There we go, guys. Pretty little speck right there. Love that. There he is. Another good trout. Oh, got him. Yes. Woo! Calm down, boys. Calm down. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. All right, guys. I'm telling you, that Daily Dud's been doing work today. That's probably about a solid 18-inch trout. Right there, that salt and pepper just been getting it done today. Look at that. Getting it done. That's some solid fish. See how big he is. Another 19-incher. 19. That's a good one. All right, guys, so let me give you a little update what we're doing here. I think it's about 10 o'clock right now, and me and the boys are still jigging around this channel. Tried the back ponds and whatnot, but they weren't really having it back there. Water's actually pretty clear, surprisingly. The bait of the day has been salt and pepper for sure, because I'm seeing these little shad jump. They're about that big, and I think that glitter and that salt and pepper really is doing it. But slack tide, and we're just finding places where the water is kind of just swirling around and milking it. So see if we can stick another one. Hey, look at that. There he is, there he is, there he is, there he is, there he is. Oh man. Bro, it's a trout. Rolling, it's a trout. Oh my. Oh no, I'm just messing with you. Whoa, I saw silver. Oh my God. All right guys, here we go. Nice little eater red right there. We had a little mishap with the stringer this morning and all those fish got away from us, but there we go. Pretty little redfish. All right boys, hooked up again here. Oh, nice one, rolling. Hey! Woo! Boys, this little combo's been doing work today. Honestly, I just need to bring this one. Sarge Moar, medium light. Shimano Aldebaran, even got blood on it. 1/4 ounce death grip with the salt and pepper deadly dudley rolling. Give him that Cajun slam. Oh, wasn't recording. All right guys, there we go. Beautiful 22-inch redfish. As of right now, me and Roland are just finding these little pools of water that are just, the current's really picking up, so we're just bouncing this same deadly dudley, man. They've just been killing it, look at that. Got him, got him. That's a good one. 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 Yep. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Pretty little red. Got him. Woo! All right, boys, that completes our limit for the day. Atta boy.